Massachusetts adheres to the American rule when it comes to litigants' attorney's fees. This rule states that regardless of the outcome of litigation, both sides are responsible for their own legal bill. In other words, the winning party cannot force the losing party to pay the winning party's legal fees. There are 3 exceptions to this rule. The first one is that the parties can stipulate in advance that if the matter goes into litigation, the winning side will recover legal fees. So a lot of civil litigation has to do with contracts and written agreements and business deals. And it's not uncommon for many agreements, whether it's a promissory note for a home loan, or it's a lease or a purchase and sale agreement, whatever it is, often the lawyers will put in there into the agreement that if the matter ends up in litigation, the winning side will collect legal fees from the losing side. So if there's some language similar to that in a contract or a written agreement that's in dispute, and the matter ends up in litigation, the winning party can ask for their legal bill to be paid by the losing party. The second exception is when the statute or the statutes at issue in the lawsuit expressly allow the winning party to collect his legal fees from the losing party. So if you file a lawsuit, you're going to list a number of counts. You're going to say that allegedly the defendant violated all of these different statutes or laws. If those laws say that the winning party can collect legal fees from the losing party, then the court will enforce that. And for both of these, whether it's been stipulated to or whether the statute allows for legal fees, the legal bill has to be reasonable. And the person to determine whether a bill is reasonable or not is going to be the trial judge. Now, the last exception is that the court itself can order the losing side to pay the winning side's legal bill. This is contrary to the general rule, so a judge would be disinclined to issue such an order. But the judge has the power to do it and will do it usually if one of the parties or the losing party has been acting in bad faith throughout the lawsuit. So maybe the losing side filed frivolous claims, frivolous defenses, or abused procedural rules, whatever it may be, they acted in bad faith, and the judge can, if the judge wants to, punish that party by forcing them to pay the other side's legal bills. All right, so if you have any thoughts on this, if you have any questions, send me an email, send me a message, and I'd be happy to hear from you.